Hi guys, today I have a iPad Pro unboxing. This is the 256 gigabytes iPad Pro, also the 12.9 inch one. Before buying this iPad, I saw a bunch of videos about it and everybody was struggling to open the case, the box, and I had no idea why. But then when I had to open it, it was a struggle as well, so I finally understand them. Peeling the iPad is so satisfying. Inside the box, it comes with a manual and stickers, which is not very helpful, but there they are. And I wonder if anybody actually ever uses the stickers that come with the iPads or any of the Apple devices, because I've never used them. The iPad Pro also comes with a double-headed USB-C cable, lightning cable, as well as a USB charging brick. I finally get to turn on the iPad Pro. With the iPad Pro, I also got the Apple Pencil. I was really disappointed that the second gen doesn't come with extra tips, because then I know I'll have to spend more money after all the money I already spent. But it was really nice to use with the iPad Pro as well. Taking off this plastic thing on the pencil was really hard though. Accessories! I also bought accessories for my iPad, 2 cases and a glass screen protector. This is the screen protector I bought. It's a glass screen protector, and inside it comes with 2 glass screen protectors that I'm going to show you guys. They're in this weird foam sleeve. Under the 2 glass screen protectors, there is a microfiber cloth as well as wet and dry wipes to clean the screen, and a instruction manual, as well as 2 camera stickers to protect your camera as well. Here the glass screen protector is already applied. I got my mom to help me with it because I couldn't do it. And then here's the back. I'm sorry about the fingerprints, so many on the back, but here on the camera the bubbles just don't really go away for some reason. Once I press it, it'll go away, but then it'll just like come back for no reason. This case is a really sky blue case. I like the color blue, so I went with this one. It's a clear one, and the folder flap is very magnetic. So sometimes when I have it curled around the back of the iPad, it'll turn off my iPad for no reason, even though I'm using it, which is very annoying. But other than that, it's pretty good. And I also don't really like the Apple Pencil holder spot because I can't put my Apple Pencil case on it and have it charging at the same time. This is how the case looks on my iPad. Here it is inside. Once you open the flap, it turns on automatically. It also has two positions that you can pretty much put it in. What I call the standing one, and the other one is more of a slope that you can write on. On to the second case. This case I didn't like at first because when I saw it, I thought the mechanism for it to turn around would be really flimsy and would break any moment. But once I got to use it a bit, it was quite fine, quite nice, because it was more sturdy than I thought. So I could use it as like a iPad stand, and it was great. But the case is almost as heavy as the iPad, so it makes carrying it around kinda heavy. But the keyboard does light up, which is very nice. The Bluetooth keyboard works, if you have any other Bluetooth keyboards that have light on it, works the same, at least for me. You just click FN and Alt or Command to change the colors or the modes. There's the brightness as well as the colors. There's only white and pretty much rainbow. I only really like the white one because it looks better that way. Here you can see me go through all of the colors. This is the spinny mechanism I was telling you about. It goes on pretty nicely, it turns around, and it's pretty tight. I don't know how to explain it otherwise, except that it's like tight and sturdy. So it doesn't feel like if I put my iPad on it that it'll just like break or something. Now I put my iPad in it and you guys can see how it looks. It's all plastic, so it's not that easy to put in, and there's these two little circles on the bottom of the iPad screen, if you can see it. Those are to lock in the iPad in place so that it doesn't slip out. Other than that, it's not really holding in the iPad. The top has a little bit of a lip that takes in the top of the iPad that you put under, but I forgot to show you that. Here I am connecting the Bluetooth keyboard to my iPad. I'm sorry that you can't see it, but the light just doesn't look that well. For this one, you just click FN and C. It has that little ring together, and you hold it until it flashes blue, and that will turn on the Bluetooth and you can connect it with your iPad. This has a touch mouse pad, so you can use it as almost if you had a computer. I also got some Apple Pencil accessories, only a sleeve. This is a sleeve I found on Amazon. It's a sky blue, so it matches my case. It has little cat ears on it, and I really like that. The selling point for me was when I was looking for it, it had two caps that would cover the nib, and I thought that if I used a rubber nib, it wouldn't wear down my plastic nib too much because it works through the silicone. But once I used it on my screen, it felt really frictiony and it was hard to write with. So I like to take it off before I write more of the time and just have it on to protect it in case I drop it anywhere. But I like the sleeve overall. In case you were wondering, the Apple Pencil, even with the sleeve on, connects to my iPad through all the cases except the black one with the keyboard, because the spot for my Apple Pencil is too small, so I can't put it in there with the case on. Anyways, here is my iPad. I already set everything up and it's great so far. Here I am writing on the iNotes app, the Notes app, with my Apple Pencil. With the Apple Pencil, you have pressure sensitivity, which is really cool as well. Thank you for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And have a great day. Stay safe.